Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, what you guys can try to do is to clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. When you use the metallic one, it can only make the situation worse, so make sure to use something soft. Now what you guys can try to do is test the mic in the app recorder right here. So here you need to allow the recorder to record your audio, so you don't need to give the access to notifications. Now here you guys will be able to basically try and test if your microphone works. If not, then what you guys can try to do is go over to the settings. Now here we need to go over to the, let me show you. Here we have the main page. Now we need to scroll a bit down until we see the About tablet. Now here we need to click System Update, and now here click Check for Updates. So as you guys can see, it says that I have the latest version, and if you do not have the latest version, then I recommend you guys updating it, because the latest versions might have a fix to the mic glitches. So make sure to run the latest system update. Now here, if this still didn't work, you can go to General Settings. Here, what you guys can do is go over to the reset options. And now let me explain why, but click Reset Bluetooth and VLAN. So you need to reset Bluetooth because a device might be connected. It might be connected as a ghost. So if you have Bluetooth enabled and it says no devices are connected here, then it still might be connected. So what I would recommend to do is either turning off the Bluetooth, or as I said before, go to General Settings, Reset Options, and here Reset Bluetooth and VLAN. Now, if it still didn't work, then what you guys can try is reset your tablet entirely. So basically a factory reset, but before that, go to backup. Here you guys will need to sign into a Google account, and then you will be able to back it all up. So make sure to back up your device. Now go to Reset Options, click Erase All Data. And now here we will be able to erase everything from the tablet. So if the microphone is not working even after the factory reset, then it might be the hardware issue, and I would recommend you guys to go to the Lenovo Service Center and try and get a checkup on your device. So that'd be it. If you found this helpful, then leave a comment, subscription, and a like. I hope it helped you. Bye.